Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Fahad Mirza, and in this video we are going to locally install this free tool called as Alisia, which enables you to do AI powered searches. This tool is quite interesting because it uses the web or internet in order to answer your queries with the help of large language models. It has been built using multiple AI techniques including retrieval augmented generation or RAG, vector databases, embeddings, and the API based models. Alicia can search the internet and it can leverage its extensive knowledge base to provide insightful and relevant responses. There are three salient features of Alicia. First and foremost, it provides you an interactive chat interface where you can engage with Alicia in real time conversations. It also provides you web search integration with the help of DuckDuckGo browser, which is a free browser, and you can access up-to-date information from the internet. You can ask questions, learn new things, or simply have fun. It is quite lightweight too. As I mentioned earlier, you would be using API based models from Google's Gemini and from Grok. So you would need the API keys from there. The good thing is that both of them provide you free keys with a lot of free credit. So I don't think you are going to run out of them anytime soon. I will also show you the websites where you can get both of these keys for free. Before we move forward, let me give a huge thanks to AgentQL who are sponsoring this video. AgentQL is a query language that turns any web page into a data source. With its Python SDK and live debugging tool, you can scrape and interact with web content. AgentQL works on any page, it is resilient, it is reusable, and it structures the output according to the shape of your query. And I will drop the link to their website in video's description. So let's get started. I'm going to take you to my terminal where I have this Ubuntu 22.04 installed. First up, let's create a virtual environment with Python 3.11. I would highly suggest that you go with this Python 3.11 or 12, not less than that, in order to make sure that everything is compatible. Next, we need to clone the repo. So I'm just using the git clone command, and we have also cd'd into this directory. And I will drop the link to this in video's description. Next, we need to set these two environment variables. One is Gemini underscore API key from Google and Grok underscore API underscore key from Grok Cloud. For the first one, for the Google one, go to ai.google.dev and grab your free API key from Google's AI Studio after signing up with your free Google account. And for the Grok Cloud, go to cloud.grok.com or simply grok.com, and you can sign up for your free account and then grab your API key from here. So I already have both of these keys. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to set these keys and I will clear the screen. Okay, now we need few prerequisites to be installed before we proceed further. Make sure that you have a node installed, you have npm installed, and we already have the Python 3.11 environment. If you don't know how to install this node and npm, please search my channel. I already have done a very simple to follow video on it. So first up, what we need to do is to install the client. For that, just cd to client directory and then run this npm install. It is going to install the client on the local system. Shouldn't take too long, it's very lightweight. That is done. Then get out of this directory and then we need to install the server. For the server, we would be installing it through pip. This installs a lot of things including UVCon, LangChain, some of the Pydantic stuff, which is prerequisite, and you see that it is also installing the Google one. So let's wait for it. Shouldn't take too long. It's very lightweight, as I mentioned earlier. And this is the last bit in terms of the installation. And everything is installed now. Let me clear the screen. Next, we need to start the server, and I will be using UVCon, which is the asynchronous framework. And it is starting the UVCon, and application startup is now finished. Now, next what we need to do, we need to start up the client. Don't exit, don't press Ctrl C here, just simply open a new window, new terminal window, and then again let me deactivate this base environment of Conda, which always comes up, and I am going to activate my environment which I created earlier for the other terminal. And then we need to go to that Alisia directory, go to client directory, because that is what we need to start up, and from there simply run npm run dev, and it has started our application at this port 5173. So let me open it, just paste it 5173 here and press enter, and it has started. Now here is something which you need to be aware of. You just need to give it a bit of a time, because it takes, first time when you start it takes a bit of a time to get started. So let's wait. And you can see that the interface is so simple. Maybe I will just search for, I'll just say happiness, and then you can press enter or click generate. You can also see that there is a, you can use your camera if you have the camera enabled, or you could upload an image, or you could simply start speaking, and there you go. So it has come up for happiness, and then it is also giving us a reference that what it has done around books and videos. So that is what it was referring to when it said the rag. So if I scroll down, these are the books. I'm not sure which videos it has gone through. Okay, there are a few videos which it has gone through. Interesting. So I'm just going to ask it, maybe, let me go here. Who is Fahad Mirza, the AI YouTuber? Let's see, click on generate. Interface could be improved, I agree. There you go. So it has just found my channel, and then this is good that it has just gone to my YouTube. This is nice. So this is what I wanted to test, and there you go. So it has gone to web and grabbed my information from the public sources, which is good. Let's see if it can do some image sort of stuff. So I just click on this image. It's not giving me any option to upload image, so let's wait. That is interesting. I'm not sure if it is working at all. Let's try the speaker thingy. Okay, I think this speaker and this is not working. Maybe still work in progress. But other than that, if you just want to do web enabled drag or AI web search, I think pretty lightweight tool. And I believe that one of another advantage is that you could just, because it's an open source, you could go into the code, create something really world class on top of it by making the interface more catchy, and maybe improving the code, maybe integrate it with Olama or some other LM Studio, any local models. But that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. I will drop the link to it in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.